What if buying one stock could make you rich? For the lucky few, this is a reality. All it takes is a handful of brilliant investments, and within a few short years, they have earned enough money to retire in luxury. But if it's this easy, why isn't everyone getting rich from shares? Is it just pure luck? Or is there a way of predicting which shares will make you a fortune? Those in the know have started pouring their money into a little-known AI stock, believing it could deliver massive future gains. So what is this company, and why are the insiders so sure that it will make them rich?
I'll make you rich.
You don't need to be Nostradamus to see the future. You just need to learn to study the world around you. Increasingly, there are two words on the lips of every business owner, CEO, and investor. Everyone is talking about artificial intelligence. Jumping on this trend could make you a small fortune. For proof, imagine that you spotted this emerging trend in 2020. Even though you sensed the AI revolution was about to begin, you still needed to find the right mix of companies to invest in. After months of searching, you finally settle on a few stocks and decide to invest in Nvidia, Microsoft, and Palantir, putting $30,000 into each stock. 5 years later, you decide that it's time to cash out. When you check your investment portfolio, you are amazed. Your initial $90,000 investment has ballooned into a portfolio worth over $1.1 million. Within 5 years, you've earned enough money to retire. If you were able to jump on this trend earlier, you could have made even more. The share price of Nvidia has increased by 21,000% in the past 10 years. But what if I told you another company is poised to deliver similar results? This company will let you take advantage of the AI boom and the explosive growth of Nvidia, all for a fraction of the price. And the best part is that very few people even know it exists. You might think it's too good to be true, but it's not. The company you should be looking at is CoreWeave. To understand why this stock is about to explode, we need to take a step back and look at the state of the AI industry today. More and more companies are realizing how critical this technology will be. They know they need to incorporate AI into their business quickly or risk getting left behind. Because of this, companies like Microsoft, which owns OpenAI, are exploding in value. Chip manufacturers like Nvidia are blowing up. Across the sector, share prices are swelling to new highs. At first glance, the future for AI is bright, but beneath the surface, there is a big problem. AI companies have hit a major roadblock. For their models to get smarter, they desperately need more computing power, but this is proving to be a major limiting factor. There just aren't enough data centers to keep up with the burgeoning demand. Unless this computing power bottleneck is solved, it could cause progress to stall across the entire industry. However, CoreWeave saw this problem coming and set out to provide a solution. In 2018, the company began as a crypto mining venture. But as the market crashed in 2019, the founders decided that they needed to take a different approach. They decided to use their data centers to provide cloud computing. By 2023, they were one of the leading providers of AI computing power in the world and were one of the only companies that had access to the market-leading Nvidia chips. But even with all this computing power, they were still struggling to keep up with demand. In 2023, they were the first company in the world to use Nvidia chips as collateral, securing a $2.3 billion loan from Blackstone. In 2024, their data center growth continued, buying 2 new billion-dollar facilities. You only need to look at their customer list to see how pivotal CoreWeave has become. Media and VFX companies rely on their centers. They have signed multi-million-dollar deals with financial titans like Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs, but their biggest partner is OpenAI, which is paying CoreWeave $12 billion to access their data centers. Better yet, many of these companies are locked into multi-year deals. While these deals might be worth eye-watering amounts of money, this is only scratching the surface. Computing will continue to be a major limiting factor in the AI world for many years to come. Even though CoreWeave is racing to build new data centers, demand is far outstripping supply. The overwhelming demand, combined with access to the latest Nvidia technology, is allowing the company to charge premium prices. They have over $30 billion in orders, and this number is growing by the day. But they aren't stopping there. In 2025, CoreWeave took the next step in its mission to revolutionize the world of AI by acquiring the AI development platform Weights and Biases for $1.7 billion. This bold step allows them to offer an in-house development platform to allow companies to build AI agents. It didn't take long for the big players like Samsung, OpenAI, and Perplexity AI to start using this new product. So what does this mean for investors who have purchased CoreWeave stock? The results are mind-blowing. It was only listed on the market in March. In the space of a few short months, its value has increased by over 130%. This makes it one of the fastest-growing AI stocks on the market, and it's not likely to slow down anytime soon, with the company predicting a gigantic 174% increase in revenue. Because of this insane growth, analysts predict that the stock might be currently undervalued. What do you think? Could buying this little-known AI stock make you rich enough to retire in a few years?